Hey there everyone, I'm Les Johnson and we're gonna get outdoors on this spot right here. I think we're gonna be up in North Dakota and we are gonna be calling a super white coyote. I love white coyotes. They give me the coyote jitters, if you will. Let's get on this hunt. Nice little coyote. It's a pup, first series. Typically, early morning like this, they're still very active. And we made one stand this morning, nothing, calling a nice pasture. Starting to get to the point to wonder if the coyotes just aren't hungry because it's early season. But as soon as I got done calling, I saw the coyote come up on a hill over there. And it came hard up on top of the hill, loping hard, and it stopped looking for the sound. So it's a good sign they're gonna come in good. And then it got real skittish once it got closer. There's not a lot of cover here, and I'm always trying to shotgun coyotes. But this coyote got a little skittish, started to turn, made the shot, just a 140-yard shot. Nice little light colored North Dakota coyote. Pretty little thing. You're seeing it in action. We're gonna get to calling. Pretty neat hunt. Beautiful coyote, beautiful scenery. That coyote came in great. I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna keep bringing videos like this one to the screen. Thank you, and I'm gonna get outdoors.